Welcome back to AFAX #1 Stop to Entertainment and Trending News. Now, almost a year since an unidentified lover gifted Hamisa Mobetto a brand new Range Rover while she was having dinner with friends. Hamisa Mobetto now has a new Range Rover, but this one she bought it herself due to her hard work. Hamisa took to share with her followers, did a whole red carpet to reveal this new whip that she had got herself. She also took a private jet for this reveal, but before we get into that, she captioned, "This chapter of my life is called Everything I Prayed For and More." In a separate caption, she posted, "Okay, so guys, I initially intended to enjoy my new baby in private, but then I thought, why not spread the love? I worked really hard for this, so I might as well show it off a bit. Congrats to me. Kuna range alafu kuna villa. God did it." This Range Rover cost about 14 million to 30 million depending on model year, but I want us to see Hamisa Mobetto showing off her new car. And what a grand way to show off your new car, red carpet and all. Anyway, congratulations to Hamisa Mobetto. You are up to date. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be the first to be notified once of any new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.